Hi guys, today we're cooking a brown rice salad. Our brown rice salad, beautiful in summer and lasts forever. So in here we have one and a half cups of brown rice. Brown rice is actually more filling as well and better for you. Okay, here we have one diced red capsicum. Throw that in. One medium diced brown onion. 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds. Fresh parsley. Doesn't matter how much you put in, it's up to you, okay? And then sultanas. Same again, it's up to you how many you put in. This gives a nice sweet flavour to your salad, okay? So I'm going to put about 3/4 of them and we'll have a look once we've mixed it. And a tin of sweet corn, super sweet corn. Once again, gives it a little bit of sweetness, okay? I've drained this out, so and put your corn in. Give that a bit of a mix, make sure it's well and truly mixed through. Break up your onion. And as you can see, this makes a fair bit. I'm 100% sure, I actually haven't done it because we actually eat the whole lot over a few days, but I'm positive you can actually freeze this as well. So that is the actual salad. Now we need to make our dressing, okay? Now for our dressing, we have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I use freshly squeezed. If you've got time, or sorry, if you haven't got time, just get your bottle of lemon juice from the supermarket. Okay, so we have 1/2 cup of your sunflower oil. The recipe calls for 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now I actually have a supreme soy sauce, so it's a lot darker, so I'm trying 2 tablespoons to start off with and we'll see how it tastes. And then garlic to taste, so if you like lots of garlic, go for it. So I'm just going to go 1 peach teaspoon to start off with. If you've got a little jar at home, or sorry, we're travelling, so if you make this at home, if you've got a jar, throw it in a jar and mix it all together and shake it up. It's awesome. But because we're travelling, we are just mixing it up in our bowl. Now you can add the dressing now, or you can add it like about half an hour before serving it up in the salad, okay? I'm actually going to mix it through now, and we'll just give that a little taste as well, as I said, with the soy sauce. So I'll just a little bit more soy sauce. Mix it through. Just drizzle it all over so it's evenly distributed. And as you can see with the dark soy sauce, it does go quite dark. If you just buy your normal soy sauce from your sauce section at the supermarket, it probably won't be as dark. It's just because I've got the supreme soy sauce. Okay, and that is ready to put in a bowl for serving. And look at all the colours, beautiful. And as I said, taste superb. Okay, we'll have a try just to make sure it tastes good. Got to make sure you get those sultanas for the sweetness. Maybe just a dash more lemon juice and we'll be right. So here we have our own oysters Kilpatrick, our mashed potato salad, our rice salad, and our chicken roll. Yum-o.